Hi everybody and welcome to music class. My name is Mrs. Osterman and I am your music teacher this year. This year we are going to be doing some music kits, and I'm going to have music kits made up for everybody. If you're at home you can make your own, but if you need one you can come to the school and pick one up. But this is what is going to be inside the music kit. We have a set of rhythm sticks. We have a pool noodle scraper, and we have a jingle bell shaker, and we have a little egg shaker. And inside the egg shaker is just popcorn, so I don't want anybody to try to open these up and try to figure out what's inside. It's just popcorn kernels, okay? Alright, that is what is going to be inside the instrument kit that is provided for you. I am asking that you guys could provide some additional items. Items that I am asking for you to add is a plastic cup if you are in grade 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay, so this is for grades 2, 3, 4, or 5. A nice sturdy plastic cup. Okay, maybe not a solo cup because those break pretty easy, but a nice sturdy solid cup. And we are looking for you to add a scarf, okay? A scarf or a bandana, which we are going to be using. This will be for pre-K, K, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th grades. And we are looking for a small stuffed animal. It does not have to be this big. It does not have to be fancy. It can even be a beanbag or something small, something that is not round and is going to roll around, but something that will be easily washed, okay? Because this is going to be our beat buddy, and we are going to be using them to keep the beat. And one other item I am asking you to provide is a frisbee or a sturdy plastic plate, because we will use that as a hand drum, okay, or a rhythm board. So those are the few things that I am asking you to provide: a sturdy plastic cup, a scarf or a bandana, a small stuffed animal or toy that you can use as a beat buddy, and a frisbee. All right? All right, and once again, I will be handing out individual instrument kits for everybody to use in their classroom. And if you are a virtual learner and need one, one can be picked up from the school, or you can use things at home. This should not have to cost you anything, okay? Just use found things at home, and that is completely fine. All right, once again, my name is Mrs. Osterman, and I look forward to spending the 2020-2021 school year with you. Have a great rest of your summer vacation.